floor 7 now, and you're met with that same luxury feeling when you're heading to the room, just because of how clean and how well decorated everything is. That same fragrance is all around the hotel, which adds to that premium feel. So let's have a look at the room. So here is the room that I stayed in. Okay, so first impressions, I really like the decoration. I like the dark paint on the wall, which contrasts with the wooden kind of theme. And that's a really large double bed there. I don't think it's a standard double bed, I think it's like a king size. And there's another kind of sofa on the side, a desk there. We can see a kettle, a tissue box, the telephone, and a notepad. Yeah, I really like the lighting and the lamps and that ambient kind of LED strip which is there. I like that dark paint and those paintings. Can you see that LED strip along the side of the wall? I think that looks really cool. Just gonna see if there's any kind of view here. I don't believe there was any view actually. I think the view was just one of the adjacent towers, which wasn't ideal, but you know, it is what it is. So that's one of the towers, and down there you can see in front of all the other towers. Okay, so moving back to the room. They had plenty of storage space. I think there was at least 4 wardrobes. So there was one here. What I liked is they all had soft close features, so it wouldn't bang when you closed it. Yeah, there's that telephone. If you left something at home, if you contact reception, they'll send you whatever they can. There's a notepad there, a TV remote, a tissue box. The TV itself was an LG TV, I believe. A nice desk lamp there, and then we have complimentary water. We have a kettle with lots of Nescafe and Lipton yellow label tea. So that's the Nescafe yellow label tea. I think they had green tea as well. Yeah, so they had green tea too. And then they had 2 mugs, and that's the kettle there. Underneath they had a mini fridge. Yeah, so that's the mini fridge there. And then more wardrobe space. So they had like a toweled gown there. There's a spare pillow at the top. Here they had an ironing board with an iron. There was also a hairdryer with a prayer mat and a Quran. Underneath there was a safe, and at the bottom there was a shoe shine kit and a weighing scale. And here we have another empty wardrobe. And another empty wardrobe. Interestingly, that sofa there also has drawers. And then we have the side table. They had an alarm clock too, which also had wireless charging, so that was quite handy. There were USB sockets on these lamps too, and that was some drawer space, if you can see those USB sockets. Yeah, and here's the kind of bed. So bed was very, very comfortable, very soft, and very well cushioned. What's interesting is they had British plugs, so I didn't need to use my travel adapter, which was a nice feature. And I think we should move on to the bathroom now, so let's have a look at the bathroom. Yeah, so here's the bathroom. So really nice design here in the bathroom. We have tiles on the floor and tiles on the wall. It's kind of like a wet room design. We have a water jet here, which is typical of all kind of bathrooms and toilets in Saudi Arabia. On the side there we have some, I think it's called apothecary. We have their lotion and hand gel. There's a mirror there, a pot there for shaving. They've given 2 glasses. The mirror has those LED lights on the side and a touch screen on and off button. They've given plenty of towels, and we have lots of shower gel, conditioner and body wash. And they've also included like an eye care kit, a shaving kit, a dental kit, and I think a kit for like ear cleaning, I believe, as well. And here is the shower. So we have a handheld shower there, and on the top there's like a ceiling shower. So that is pretty much everything for the bathroom and the room tour as well. So just a final few clips here just to show you the full size of the bathroom. So it's quite large in size, and I really like the decoration here, and also that they've provided high quality soaps and shower gels and lotions as well. Also, just next to the toilet there are some hooks there for you to hang towels or clothes on.